Getting some big updates coming in right now, viewers. From what we understand right now, there has been a 20-year-old college dropout, Abhishek Bhardwaj, who has been arrested in Dehra, Kangra district of Himachal Pradesh on charges of espionage. SP Dehra Mayank Chaudhary confirmed the arrest and stated that Bhardwaj's mobile phone has been sent to forensic lab to recover deleted data. He has been booked under Section 152 of the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita's investigation continues into the case. So this is what we see right now, viewers. Back-to-back updates coming in right now on Republic TV. And this is coming in as we see that a 20-year-old college dropout Abhishek Bhardwaj has been arrested in Kangra district on charges of espionage. Okay, I want to go straight across to my colleague who's joining us, Lalit. Lalit, if you could just take our viewers through latest coming in. You know, we already have seen so much of strict action being taken against any kind of individual who has been trying to compromise the national security of our nation. Yes, over to you, Lalit.
Well, Shivangi, it has been confirmed by the SP, Dehra Mayank Chaudhary, that a 20-year-old college dropout has been held for the espionage charges. They have been getting inputs regarding him, and from a week ago, they have been taking a look on his suspicious activities. So, yesterday, he was finally arrested by the Dehra police, and right now, his mobile has also been sent to the forensic lab as some of his data has been deleted. So to retrieve the data, his phone has been sent to the forensic lab. Apart from that, Shivangi, what we are also getting when we had a word with the SP Dehra Mayank Chaudhary, he said that from last year October onwards, he was in touch with some of the Pakistani agents, and from that time onwards he was sharing some important and some confidential information about the country. So when the SP Dehra got this information, so he was being tracked, and after looking into the suspicious activities from the past 1 week, finally he was arrested yesterday from Dehra itself. So right now, police is investigating this whole matter, while his phone has been sent to the forensic lab to retrieve the deleted data.